Can an LLC invest in crypto? Yes, an LLC can invest in cryptocurrency. You can open a crypto exchange account under the LLC's name, using its EIN, and use business funds to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets. The crypto belongs to the LLC, not the individual members, and any profits or losses must be reported on the LLC's tax return. Many investors create LLCs specifically for crypto trading or holding digital assets because it provides liability protection and separates personal and business finances. It also makes it easier to manage multiple investors through one entity if it's a multi-member LLC. However, crypto investing comes with tax reporting requirements. The IRS treats cryptocurrency as property, so every sale, trade, or use of crypto must be tracked for capital gains or losses. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and get it structured properly so you can invest in crypto with liability protection. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.